Innovative novel everyone, it's me Pratibha Neupane from Mercury House. Today I am going to give a presentation on the topic of maintain personal hygiene. Next please. Now, leader is Pratibha Neupane, deputy leader Samir Bhandari, member 1 Tejmaya Kanwar, member 2 Alsis Paudel, member 3 Ashish Koire and member 4 Mohit Kanwar. Next please. Now I am going to tell the topic, and the topic is circle information. Name of the circle Mercury. Formation date 2077 1009. Average age 8. Average class 6. Total number of members 6. Meeting dates every day. Meeting location in class 2. Meeting time period 3 to 4 p.m. Facilitator Mr. Manjit Patel. Yes, please.
Object circle. Object the circle. Invest by poor hygiene. Important hygiene. Named also the last grade of the importance of hygiene and the bishop. The measure and equals of personal hygiene.
Number 4, the meaning and importance of personal hygiene. Number 5, learn common ways of maintaining personal hygiene.
Number 1, dental. Number 2, body. Number 3, hand wash. Number 3, nail. Number 5, to dedicate. Number 6, public lies. Number 7, 3 purse. Yeah.
Number 1, hand wash. Number 2, care of teeth. Number 3, bath regularly. Number 4, hygiene clothes. Next slide is stratification can be solved. Hand washing, trim nails, sleep tight, swimmer's wear. Next please. Stratification can be solved partially. Hand washing, trimming nails, swimmer's wear, carelessness. Next one.
Stratification cannot be solved. Drying clothes, carelessness, bathing, hair cutting, family problems.
Related of 5 major problems. Feeling sick. Number 2, face become dull. Number 3, electrical information. Number 4, body lies. Number 5, diarrhea. Next slide is the highest ranked problem, personal hygiene. Personal hygiene is most important thing in our life. Maintaining personal hygiene make us healthy. Next please. Next slide is survey on 5 major problems. Number 1, making waste. Number 2, language problem. Number 3, throw wastage in class. Number 4, moving here and there. Number 5, don't manage copy note. Next page.
Survey result question. Yes, no. Do you wear dress? 14:6. Do you cut nails? 14:7. Do you bath daily? 0:30. Do you brush your teeth? 19:30. Total 49:39.
causes, trace, nail, bath, brush, and the points are trace 14, nail 14, bath 2, brush 19. Percentage 63.6, 63%, 9%, 86%. Cumulative points and cumulative percentages are not variable. Next slide is Pareto analysis. Bath is 9%, nail is 63%, dress is 64%, and brush is 86%. Next please.
Problem definition: carelessness. Carelessness refers to the lack of awareness during a behavior that can result in utilized. For example, if anybody don't brush teeth, then that's their careless family problem. It refers the problems which are being faced by the students due to their parents' activities.
Set our target. Bath, dress 6, nails 5.5%, bath 4%, brush 6.5. Next slide is effects of the problem. Carelessness, body become itching, teeth are being weak, it impacts in the smart looking. Next please. Next slide is selection of 5 root causes. Self-carelessness, lack of parents' involvement, lack of awareness, problem at home. Next please.
YY analyzes involvement with bad company, weak in personal care, not greatness in hygiene, don't care of personal hygiene.
Root cause analyze. Understand the fundamental issue. Dig into your data and number. Break down problem by cause. Analyze the details of failures. Your pinch points problem and your cause. Next please. Next slide is problem implementation. We should help the program for giving knowledge about all the process for personal hygiene. We should aware the disadvantage disease causes from of personal hygiene to the students. Next please. Next slide is 5W1 as on countermeasures. Why do we use the personal hygiene? What is mean by personal hygiene? Where is your dress? Who have teach you the personal hygiene? When have you practiced the personal hygiene? How do you maintain the personal hygiene? Next please. Next slide is conclusion. Personal hygiene is the most important thing in life. Maintain personal hygiene helps us to reduce illness problem. Maintaining personal hygiene is the thing that helps us to live in healthy. In personal hygiene, we have to brush our teeth twice a day, bath regularly, wash hands before eating food and after going bathroom. We should eat healthy food. Next please.
SQC, the full form of SQC is Student Quality Circle. SQC is a co-current activity which is integrated together with regular concert and educational institutes. SQC is a group of students. It helps to develop leadership qualities of the TRIPS member.
Next slide is acknowledgement. I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to my teacher as well as principal who have given me the golden opportunity to do this wonderful project on the topic of personal hygiene, which also helped me in doing a lot of research, and we all also know about so many knowledge. Thank you.